Hey everyone, it's Donna here, sharing a card that I created using the new Cuddlebug Butterfly Kit by Tiara Jackson. As you can see, I chose 3 colors and minimal coloring on this pretty little butterfly. I just highlighted a few areas on here and shading in the face. I usually try to coordinate the colors with my papers, but that doesn't always happen. It worked out pretty well in this case. And then I added some little white freckles, some Wink Stella to shimmer on the wings. And then, as I often like to do, I went around the image with a light gray color. I just used the N1 Copic marker and shadowed around the whole image. I applied my 3D foam tape and adhered that to another die cut circle in a coordinating color. Once that was done, I just scrunched up some crinkle ribbon, making a cute bow, tying with the twine, and then I used just my glue gun to apply this to the card. I think that holds the crinkle ribbon really well. And you can shift it around while it's still warm, and that way you won't see any of the glue coming through. I hope you enjoyed this card today, and I can't wait to see what you create with this cute new kit. Thank you for watching.